Hi everyone, it's Friday, yay! I hope you had a fantastic week. Chris and I are ready to share some fun facts about our two favorite oils. Celery seed, which doesn't get a lot of play, but we're gonna change that today, and pink pepper. So celery seed, let's get talking about this. To be honest, I have used it, yay, but it's been sitting on the shelf collecting dust, and that is a big no-no. So let's go into some fun facts about it and start using it again. It's used as early as the 5th century by the Chinese and widely used in Indian Ayurvedic practices today. The celery plant grows to 3 feet tall. It's bright green. Celery has a complex, strong, sweet, and spicy aroma. The plant takes 2 years to fully mature and produce its small fruit, which are tannin brown in color. The seeds are primarily repository for the essential oils. Primarily preliminary, sorry, I cannot see my handwriting, suggests that limonene also has internal cleansing properties when consumed. So celery seed has limonene in it. The oil creates calming, relaxing, and positive environment, which is very useful right now. So I think I'm going to start adding this to my diffuser. Supports nervous and digestive systems. So it calms the body and mind and cleanses both internally and externally. Because we hear a lot of people use celery in their juices, and we got to stop doing that. Let's get on to the celery seed. You want to consume 1 or 2 drops, 1 in the AM, 1 in the PM. You can soak in a bath with Epsom salts, blend with fractionated coconut oil for a soothing massage, diffuse to promote uplifting and positive mindset. Oh, let me say that again. Diffuse it for positive mindset, because there is a lot of negativity happening right now. So Chris, let's continue this positive train and talk about pink pepper. What can you share with us?
Pink pepper is awesome. I had only ever used this in the Skinny Jeans Challenge, which I love. So it was really fun to check up on this oil. It comes from Kenya. It's they use the entire plant, but the little pink fruits, peppercorn fruit, is obviously what we use to steam distill out and make the essential oil. So that's kind of awesome. Let's see here. I'm reading my notes here, making sure I'm getting covered correctly. It's a limonene. It can help. It may help support blood sugar and cholesterol levels. A lot of different things they're talking about is they've been using this in possible cancer prevention, muscle spasms, circulatory disorders, pain relief, convulsions, high blood pressure, and a cough suppressant. So, well, I was just using it for the Skinny Jeans Challenge. There's all these other properties that are probably helping out. So it's a spicy, fruity, slightly woody scent, so it's a little bit different. So it kind of has a little bit of a zip to it. But what an awesome oil. So great for many, many things.
Yeah, I have not used it, I have to be honest.
Oh,
I know I need to get on it because I have this little guy. I just haven't used it yet. I mean, I have, obviously, because it's halfway empty, but I think it's because I share it more than I use it. Sharing is caring. Okay, everyone, that is our fun facts for this Friday. We'll see you next week. Have a great weekend and an amazing week. Take care. Bye-bye.